It is July 18, 2014. Current time is 10:32 GMT. Jay Meisler here with the daily Forex trading outlook. In a market where crises have been largely ignored for going on a year and a half, we had a whole bunch of geopolitical events yesterday: Russian sanctions, the Malaysian airline downing in Israel, bringing land forces into Gaza. They just overwhelmed the market at the end and forced a risk-off close to yesterday's trading. It's a little more calm overnight. We'll see if it follows through. History says that these events do not have long shelf lives, although they are not ones that seem to be going away. Well, that's where we stand right now. Let's just take an objective look at the markets. If you look at the euro dollar, for example, everybody is looking at the same levels. You have 135, around 01, 02, 03, whatever it is on the downside. On the upside, we have now 135, 35 to 40 is resistance. That blocks a return to 135.50, and that, at a minimum, is the level that needs to be renewed to turn this market a little more neutral. That is, that's in a nutshell. If you look at the, you look at the 4-hour here. We're now in this consolidation pattern here. We've yet to test 135.12, which is the resistance blocking that 135, say, figure to 3 level, with 134.75 being the key level below it. If you look at the 1-hour chart, very similar. Look, we've gone into this. I'll get it in a second. It is Friday, This pattern here, this range pattern, let's make it 135. Right now it's 15 to 40. 25 pip range sounds like a lot, feels like more, but it's not. Yesterday we had 20 pip range into New York. Today it was 135.20 to 40. Today it's in 135.15 to 35. Risk is still on the downside unless we renew 1.3550. Okay, that's where we stand. Light economic calendar today. University of Michigan sentiment, but stocks are going to rule the day, and all markets are going to follow movements in stocks. Next week we have a more active economic calendar. We'll see if that pushes geopolitical events aside. But coming into the weekend, you've got to assume the market is going to stay defensive. Now, one more thing here, and as you know, I like to post article links at the end of the end of my my videos. This one is a secret trading pattern revealed. I think it's very well worth reading. I'm a firm believer in patterns. The patterns I use work, for me at least, and I think it's worth a click for you to see what I uncovered. So I'm willing to pass it on. It's free. Just click on the link here. Otherwise, as I said, unless we get back above 135.50, that 135 level will be exposed, and probably exposed at least into the coming week. Okay, good luck and good trading.